so hard outside, and you won't believe what's happening too. I said cheesecake. Well, this didn't go off. That's the thing. You saw that? Thunder and lightning out.
It's still far away.
No, but the other flash was like right there.
No, it's not right there. You would have heard the thunder. You're just hearing it now. So it's like 2 kilometers away.
Yes, the rain is very bad.
I'm gonna shut this now.
No, leave it open. It's nice to hear the rain falling. And having the door shut is not going to protect you anymore.
Did the lightning hit on that big giant tower thing?
Hey?
Where did the lightning hit?
I don't know.
You didn't see the lightning. Ainsley saw it.
Yeah.
Oh! Guys, did you see that? It's right there. Alright.
5, 6, 7. It's like 2 kilometers.
Guys, what? Oh my gosh. That is the most suicideous roar of thunder ever.
Oh, yeah.
I'm seriously backing up.
Yeah?
That one was close.
What?
I was about 2 kilometers away.
No, it was not. I was in the bathroom, I watched it flash, and then like 3 seconds later, I heard thunder.
Yeah.
So I guess that was...
I like actually saw the lightning bolt.
I didn't see lightning bolt. This is just rapid, guys. Oh. I'll take vibes. I'm not just for this, but Daddy will let me have vibes. Where's my vibes? Good. This is so.